Clean the floor on the site cleanly without unevenness, and then spread insulations. Leave an about 1 centimeter space between the insulation and the wall. Spread insulations without gap between them, and bond the joint between insulations with tapes. Cut the heating films in suitable sizes and spread them. At this time, never overlap films. Fix the heating films with tapes. Insert terminals into the electrode of the heating film. Press them and connect cables. Each film has 2 electrodes, so connect a red cable to one electrode and a blue cable to the other electrode. After completion of cable connection to the terminal, insulate it with butyl tape. In addition, insulate the other side as well. If you want to control it in a temperature method, then install a temperature sensor. To avoid step differences that can happen due to the thickness of the cable after completion of construction, cut the insulation in the passage where cables pass to make a passage for the cable to pass. Fix the cable well. Connect the controller. Connect the power to the in terminal of the controller. And connect the cable from the film to the out terminal. Finish the construction and check it using a tester. A company that considers the health and safety of consumers, IR-Technika.